We're regrouping. I'm gonna show you what happened. Here's what happened to our dough. It did not rise. It's as dense as a right wing. I've chucked it. I'm switching gears and gonna make a simple galette. It only needs an hour in the fridge. I've got some rhubarb. I've got the date filling that I made yesterday for the cinnamon rolls. So I'm gonna make 2 galettes, one with like dates and apples and one with rhubarb and like lemon and a bit of sugar. So here we go, let's do it. Guys, I must be like the only baker in the world who like isn't really worried about portions. I know it's like so taboo, but I don't give a fuck. I'm doubling the recipe because I want to make 2 galettes. 2 1/4 cups of flour, full teaspoon kosher salt. I'm gonna cube it Gooding Jr. I'm gonna start adding in the water now. I've made the galette pastry. It's in the fridge. It's gonna sit for an hour. I'm going to now make my rhubarb filling. Really simple, just some sugar and some lemon at the end. Then we will fill our galette in an hour. I just keep telling myself that I'm very proud of myself for rolling with the punches here. I was very disappointed at first because I wasn't gonna be able to eat cinnamon rolls tonight. It's been a little over an hour. I'm gonna get my galette dough and fill it and then get it in the oven. Here we go. I was gonna use this jam, but there's none of it left. And now my beautiful rhubarb, which I added lemon zest and lemon juice to. Okay, so this goes in at 400 for 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, number 2. This one is gonna be date and apple filled. This is the date filling that I made for the cinnamon rolls. So I'm not being as instructional with this video because I just feel like it's not very interesting. If you miss all the instruction, let me know.
Layer the apples on top of that date filling. Carefully sprinkle some sugar on top. Brush the top with some maple syrup. Congratulations, you've completed your double galette to save your mother's birthday.